Hello, everybody, and welcome to your Week 3 work for U.S. History Summer School 2020. Let's go over this, and I am going to switch to a week format here in this one. Lovely birds in the background, isn't it? It's a beautiful summer day. We are going to switch to a week overview because there is a big disparity of gap between performance of students. Some people are falling massively behind. Others are trying to work really far ahead. So let's go ahead and show you the week stuff, so those who want to work ahead definitely can do so as planned. Again, we know we always come to bit.ly/US 2020 SS, and we come here on this one. You have to get in the habit of going to the actual schedule for it, which is the calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and click that here. Interactive calendar shows us everything. I'm going to simply wait for it to upload, and then I'm going to scroll down and find the week that I want. So week 2's over. I'm going to go to week 3. So here we go on this one. If you would like to make it bigger too, just click the box up here and it automatically takes it to the actual document so you can look at everything like that. Just one click, super easy for you. So let's scroll down to week 3 and take a gander real quick. What we do need to note here is that there are only 4 days this week because you do have the Friday off, and I apologize for the dates being incorrect up top here, but Friday is off to observe 4th of July on this one. So what we see here is we do have a little bit of blacked out stuff, so we only have one daily journal for this week, and then we do have daily dizzle every day that you're going to have to accomplish. We have one set of reading here. And then we are going to do a web page here. We're not going to do a web page for World War I. We are going to do a web page for World War II, though, in this one. So go ahead and make sure that you are following that and everything. Again, one reading. We do have some of the mission, the simulation, so you are going to have to click it for the actual day. Go to it, and you're going to play that simulation. Then we'll go back and we'll put that in, I believe, on your web page. It's going to be there for you. So I'll follow the game, play it. Again, your point of this is to really immerse yourself in to understand, can we understand historical context more through trying to play through simulations, or should we just be reading textbooks and stuff like that in that one? So that's what we're really looking for in that one. So we want to make sure that we're doing that going forward in that. Okay, so let's go back to schedule. So we have those two for the 2 days. This is where it's going to change a little bit for you. We did this last week a bit with the California History series, but we are going to do World War II collab slides there. So if you do click this, open it up, what you're going to do automatically is you need to go and file, make a copy for yourself on this one. So what we see here, we see 4 different slides, and what you'll notice is the videos are embedded, the questions are there. So go ahead and follow through with it, do what you need to, read the directions, then we'll embed it over. How we do that though, we go to File, let's go to Make a Copy. We want to do the entire presentation, and you go ahead and place a copy of. I would always just put your name there. I think it makes it easier for that one. So first name, okay. Awesome. Now it's made a copy. Once it loads, you'll see. Cool, now you own this one. Now you can go ahead and write this one. You don't need this template anymore. So you can just X that out. Now it's your copy. You're ready to rock and roll at that point, okay? So that does need to be finished as well. What we notice here in the media section is there are 4 different sections here of Edpuzzle videos. So what you must do is you need to click on it, go to it, start it, log in with your Compton USD, and watch it. The questions will appear here. You have to do this because it keeps a back end on here. So this is what it would look like on my end. You would see students logged in. It tells me if you've watched it, when you last watched it, did you turn it in after? You have to do this. This is part of your week 3 requirement in that one. So take your time, whatever you need to, focus on that one. But it's relatively simple, but we do want to make sure that we are staying up to task on everything on this one. Again, you only have one daily journal this week. We do have daily dizzles, all the other ones. I would highlight the fact that you need to stay up on your web page in terms of updating it, okay? So when we go to our web page tablet here, I'm going to go ahead and click on the master template web page, and I'm going to go over to World War II now because we only have this page. So follow it. It's very simple. The links are there for you. Notice here in pink, this is where you're going to put that document that you made over here, this one. Once you do this, then you just go over to your actual web page, and you just embed it there in that one, okay? Very simple. We have tutorials you can watch. If you need help, jump on the Zoom calls and I can walk you through that more, but everyone else should be fine in that one. And again, make sure you have stayed up to speed on what you need to, especially those that are only taking this as 1 semester for summer school. Your web page is going to be due July 3rd, this Friday, okay, coming up. So whether you're taking session A or B, it's whatever you have done is going to be here. If you are taking both sessions A and B, then obviously your web page is due at the bottom here on the 17th of July. But if you are only taking the one session with me, either A or B, not both, then your thing is due here. So that means the web page has to all be done all the way up to World War II. So all this stuff here, plus we know knowledge, you have to go in here and you have to write one of these for every one of your units, which again is this particular stuff here, that reading that we're going to on that one, okay? So big week for us. Let's push forward with it. Jump on the Zoom calls. I would definitely recommend that each day because it's a nice way to go through things slowly if you need. It's not very long, but you can be as long as you need. I'm here for you, but you got to make yourself available, okay? Good luck, guys, and we'll see ya.